Stop! These 3 foods in your fridge are quietly destroying your health. 1. Potatoes. Cold turns their starch into sugar. When cooked, this creates acrylamide, a compound linked to health risks. Store them in a cool, dark pantry instead. 2. Tomatoes. The fridge stops them from making lycopene, the antioxidant that fights heart disease and inflammation. Keep them on your counter. 3. Honey. Cold makes it crystallize and grainy. People then microwave it, killing all the beneficial enzymes. Room temperature storage keeps it perfect. Bonus tip: bread goes stale faster in the fridge due to moisture. Freeze it instead if you need long-term storage. Which one shocked you most? Follow for more health hacks. Follow Learn Daily for more healthy tips.